Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you where to find the practice arena in FIFA 23. As you can see, the practice arena is available on the main menu right here because I just use this mode. Normally, if you don't know how to enter, you have to go to play modes, then open quick play modes, and you'll find practice arena right here. So click X to open, and as you can see, here we are. We can just do shots, we can train, you can do whatever we want right here. You can also practice free kicks, so click the option button on your controller. Here we can, for example, get the 3K, change the camera, or access the skill moves tutorial. As you can see right here, it's everything. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.